Okay, so this is the furnace exhaust vent. Now, when the furnace burns to create heat, it needs to have the air come in up here, and then it comes out over here. And so what we're doing is adding the vent, which attaches to the outside. The furnace is right here. This is the part that exhales hot air from the burning process of creating the furnace, and this is the part that inhales. Now, normally in RVs, this is a flat surface, but because we have a school bus, we have this rigid surface, which means that we're going to have to use more silicon. Like it?
It's crooked.
I know.
Why is it crooked?
Because the screws went in a specific way and I couldn't fix them.
What?
Yeah, I know. The self-tapping screws, I should have pre-drilled the holes.
Babe.
Okay, so that's the outside. And now we need to harness the inside. This is the furnace. This is the inside of what we were just looking at. As you can see, there's two holes there and there, which we plan to make it so that the furnace doesn't move as we're driving. Okay, so let's talk about what's just happening here. This is the furnace. These are ducts. Now the ducts go through tubes like this to aluminum things like this. These are called registers. On the outside of registers, you put these things. And that way you can open and close based on how much heat you'd like. I have this one upside down. This is where the air from the house comes in. And then it exudes throughout the ducts. And then the furnace warms that air. The air from the firing process goes from the outside, which you just saw us install. And that allows us to bring air in and out and use it for the purpose of heating. And that's how it works. It's like 80 degrees here in California right now. So we can't really test the furnace, and we still don't have the propane hooked up to it. But once we have all that stuff, we're ready to test this duct system that we have. And so this thing's installed. We're ready to go.
More mosaic prep today. Basically, I am breaking the tiles down into two sizes, big and small. And then I'll use the clippers when I am actually putting the mosaic tiles onto the cement board. So right now, it's crushing time.
That's about it. More crushing material. Here we go.
Also, if you're a tile or mosaic expert, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know if I'm crazy and if there's anything important I need to know when doing a mosaic bathroom. We think we know what we're doing. No, not really. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a test. We will see how that turns out.
So right now, we're going to plumb the underside of the sink. You can probably tell I got it, this is all just roughed in, so I got an idea for all the pieces I need. Before I started this, I just grabbed all the pieces and made sure I've got them. I know now once I'm to the 1.5 ABS fitting, I'll know that I've got all the 90s and everything I need. So this is going to be the way that we're going to do the kitchen sink.
Taking a while. Okay, so it's more further back than I thought it would be, but exactly where you wanted it.
Yeah, check it out. Obviously this isn't the pipe, but it saves space. We'll go 1.5 inches down into there. Now for the hole saw.
Hole saw time.
So we found this is this 2-inch one is just a tiny bit too big. You see how there's like play in there? And so we want to have it be real tight. And so instead of doing 2 inches, I want to do 1 7/8 inches. So this is the pilot hole. I drilled this hole from the outside so I know where the in-between, the I-beams for the floor joists of the bus are. So this is the point that we want. I already drilled a hole through so I know I'm right on. So
Insulation. Bye bye. Hey.
see, wood, insulation, metal. I'm not actually going to glue it until I'm confident that we want to put a 90 there. It's going to stay fine.
Welcome to my workshop. So today I went to the Reister and I found these guys, and so they're a little bit smaller, so I'm hoping I'll probably use all of these for the flooring. And I did a test today and I'm confident with the bigger pieces, but I'm still not confident with the tiny ones. So we will see if it all comes together. Oh, and I also found this beautiful glass as well, so I'm hoping to use this in the bathroom as well. That is all. Still don't know what I'm doing. Yay!
V's out of the frame. So today, another day, we were very busy with the business all day, and so we only got to work to the bus towards the end of the day. But I think it was pretty cool because we've got the sink all plumbed in. We'll be able to do the countertop and then the faucet on the top, and then we'll be able to test the whole water system up here, and we'll have the gray water system. And you practiced some more Mosaic stuff, right?
I did prepping. Mosaic prepping.
Cool.
That is all.
Short one for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.